Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back, friends. Welcome back to another video lecture by Kami Microbiologist. Today in this video lecture we are going to see another vitamin profile test, that is the vitamin B1 test. If you guys remember, we talked about vitamin A test. Now this is the second video that is related to vitamin profile, and it is the vitamin B1 test. So my name is Muhammad Kamil Khan and you guys watching my channel Kami Microbiologist. Let's start the video. First of all, let's see that what we are going to explain in this video. In this video, first of all, we will see that what is vitamin B1, function of vitamin B1, deficiency of vitamin B1, diagnostic purpose, test procedure, normal range, main cause of high and low vitamin B1. Let's see that the introduction. Remember, vitamin B1 are also called thiamine or thiamine. Okay. Next, that vitamin B1 is the part of vitamin B complex family of vitamins. Okay, because we better know that vitamin B is the complex vitamin among all the vitamins families. As we already talked, there is a lot of vitamin, but among them vitamin B has more parts. Next, vitamin B1 is the essential vitamins. What does it mean? It means that we can obtain this vitamin B1 from the diet. It cannot be prepared inside our body. We can take it from the diet as well as we can take it from the supplements. Next, vitamin B1 is the water soluble vitamins, and if we talked about the normal range of the vitamin B1, so the normal range is 2.5 to 7.5 microgram per deciliter, or we can say 78 to 185 nanomole per liter. So this is the normal range. Then we have the function. So the function is that vitamin B1 can digest and break down the food particles. Vitamin B1 can convert the carbohydrate into glucose, then the glucose will give us energy. Vitamin B1 can make the nervous system and muscle healthy. Vitamin B1 can boost up our immune system. Vitamin B1 can keep our heart healthy. Vitamin B1 are helpful to make the RBC or to help in the RBC formation. Vitamin B1 can also prevent the mitochondria from damages. All of you better know that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay. Next, vitamin B1 can maintain the normal growth. Let's see the diagnostic purpose of this test. So this test is specially used to check the level of thiamine. Either the thiamine level is low or high. If it get low, there will be a disease. If it get high, there will be also a disease. So the thiamine level will be the normal. So through this test we can diagnose the level of the thiamine. Next, this test is also used to find out the deficiency of vitamin B1, and also this test is used to find a disease which we call that beriberi disease. Remember guys, this beriberi disease is actually skin related disease in which there will be the skin rashes, or we can say, or the body are become weak. Okay. Next we have this test is also specially used to assist Rinke-Korsakoff syndrome. So it is actually the disease of the brain, which we call it wet brain disease, wet brain symptoms, in which the patient have or sometimes the patient goes into coma, we can say like that. Next we have the treatment efficacy. If you wanted to check either the treatment is workable, so for that purpose you have to perform the vitamin B1 test. Next we have recommended test. So mostly if you want to check the vitamin B1 level into the blood, so the doctor mostly recommend whole blood thiamine test. The doctor recommend blood pyruvate and lactate level, through blood alpha ketoglutarate, through blood glyoxylate levels. So through these tests we can diagnose or we can check the level of vitamin B1. Let's see the diet that are rich in vitamin B1. So spinach, mushroom, sunflowers, green peas, brown rice, liver beef, sweet potato, peanut, orange, egg, milk. These are the food that contain vitamin B1 in a high amount. Next we have the symptoms of vitamin B1 deficiency. If let's suppose the vitamin B1 are get low in the body, so what type of the symptoms will be appear? So due to the vitamin B1 there will be a disease which we call it sleeplessness. Next we have memory and eye problem. Next we have anorexia. Next we have muscle weakness and cramps, constipation, hypertension, rapid heartbeat, chest pain, fatigue, burning sensation in the feet. So these are the main symptoms through which when the vitamin B level get low. Let's see the requirements when we want to perform the test. So we need blood in gel tube or red top, we need yellow tip, we need blue tip, and we need centrifuge machine. We also need advanced fully automated machine and semi-automated machine. Now let's see the procedure. So procedure is very simple. First of all, you have to guide the patient that the patient should be fasting 12 hours before. After that, then you will collect the blood in a gel tube or a red top. Then what will you do? You will centrifuge the blood to get the serum. Then you will run the serum on advanced fully automated machine or semi-automated machine. Let's see the main causes of low vitamin B1. So it is due to the poor diet, or we can say malnutrition, like we have whole grains, meat, legumes, nuts. It is due to the chronic alcoholism. It is due to diarrhea, malabsorption disorder. It is due to gastrointestinal conditions like we have celiac disease, Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis. It is due to pancreatic insufficiency or gallbladder issues. It is due to chronic illness like we have hyperthyroidism, diabetes, kidney and liver disease. It is due to pregnancy, breastfeeding and period of rapid growth. It is due to the prolonged use of certain medication like diuretics, and due to the aging, the vitamin B1 level can also get low in the body. Now let's see the main cause of high vitamin B1. If let's suppose those patients who have low vitamin B1, and if the patient using more and more supplements of the vitamin B1, so due to this way there will be a chances that the vitamin B1 may increase in the body. Sometime the patient on a high dose therapy or thiamine injection, so if the patient are using this, so there will be a high chances of vitamin B1 in their body. Due to the high intake of thiamine rich food like pork, beans, whole grains, so there will be high vitamin B1 in the body. So dear friends, this is all about the vitamin B1 test. I hope you guys get idea about that. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel to get more interesting videos like that. Thank you so much.